Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to find the missing angle or side based on given information, based on the type of the triangle. Let's take a look on the first triangle. Let's look at the codes. We have AB equal to AC because both sides are having the same code. Angle B is 70, so we have to find angle C. Since AB is equal to AC, then this triangle is isosceles triangle of main vertex A because the legs AB and AC are equal. So, how can I use this information that I just discovered in order to get the measure of angle C? I know I have to think of something related to angles. I know that angles at the base, which means here B and C are equal, because here the base is BC. So angle C equal to angle B equals 70 degrees because base angles are equal. But how am I gonna write this information? How am I gonna write the proof? First of all, I start by the given items in the figure. I start by the same way as I thought in my mind. I, when I looked at the figure, I noticed that AB equal to AC because it's coded. So I just write it down. Then I discovered or I got a result that ABC is isosceles triangle of main vertex A. Why? Because the legs are equal. So that's why I write down. Then, because I discovered that it's an isosceles triangle, I concluded that angle C is equal to angle B. Why? Because base angles are equal. So I just write it down. Let's move to the second example. Triangle ABC is equilateral. So I have the side AB. I have to find the side AC and BC. I know that in an equilateral triangle, the three sides are equal. So I just write this down. I can write that AC is equal to CB equal to BA because triangle ABC is equilateral. So now I have to find angle C. Since ABC is equilateral given, then angle C is equal to angle A is equal to angle B equals 60 degrees. Why? Because the sum of angles in any triangle is 180 degrees. And since the three angles ABC in an equilateral triangle are equal, then I divide the 180 degrees equally among the three angles. So each one will get 60 degrees because in an equilateral triangle, I have three equal angles. Let's move, let's move to question 3. With justification, find the measure of the missing angle, then determine the type of each angle. We have here angle R is 82, angle S is 55. I have to get angle T. I know that the sum of angles in any triangle is 180 degrees. So the measure of angle T is 180 minus, I remove from it the measure of angle R and angle S. 180 minus, I put under each angle its measure, 82 plus 55. 82 plus 55 is 137. Let's subtract it from 180 to get that angle T is 43 degrees. And what is the reason? What helped me do this? The sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So RTS is acute scalene because it has three acute angles, and each one of them has different measure. So that's why it's a scalene. Let's move to the second example. I have that angle H is 40, angle E is 70, and I know that the sum of angles in any triangle is 180 degrees. So angle HFE is going to be 180 minus H plus E. Why? Because I remove from 180 40 degrees for H, and I remove 70 degrees for E to get the measure of F. 180 minus, I write each measure under the corresponding angle. So E is 70, H is 40, 70 plus 40 is 110. So 180 minus 110 is 70 degrees. And what helped me to get this calculation is the sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So I have to write the reason down. Now, since this angle is 70, this one is 72, so what do you notice? We notice that a triangle HFE is isosceles of main vertex H. Why? Because FE is the base. Why? Because the angles F and E are equal. So when the base angles are equal, then we notice that H is the vertex. Part C. Since C is 25 and 45 and B is 45 degrees, then I have to use the sum of angles in a triangle to get the measure of angle A. So CAB is 180, subtract the measure of C and B. So we are going to subtract 25 plus 45. Why? To know the measure of angle A alone. So 25 plus 45 is 70. Then I'm going to get CAB equal 110. And since it is an obtuse angle, then we can say that triangle CAB is obtuse triangle. It is obtuse scalene because the three angles are different. In this case, we have to get the angle, the measure of the angle K. We know that AKD is 180 minus D plus A. Why? Because the sum of angles is 180. So to figure out the measure of K, I have to get out 60 and 30 from the 180 degrees to know the degrees left for angle K. So 180 minus 30 plus 60, 180 minus 90 equal 90 degrees. Since angle K is 90, angle A is 60, angle D is 30, then triangle AKD is semi-equilateral triangle. And that's all. Thanks for watching.